All right, I found this Mojoco portable blender on Amazon for just $39. But is it actually worth it? Let's find out. So, what do you get? First, we have the drinking lid, which has a built-in sip spout and a convenient carrying strap for easy portability. Then there's the blade lid, equipped with sharp blades, a power button, and a charging port. You also get a reusable straw, the blender container itself, and a Type-C charging cable. Time for a test run. I'm adding some frozen mangoes, a little bit of ice, and some milk. Now just screw on the blade lid. Double press the button, then flip the blender upside down. And all we need to do is to wait for a few seconds. And look at that! The blades cut right through the frozen fruits and ice. Now we've got a smooth, delicious smoothie in just seconds. Now that the blending's done, just swap on the drinking lid. You can sip straight from the container or take it on the go. Super easy, super portable. Or if you prefer, you can pop in the straw for a different sipping style. Options are always nice. So, is the Mojoco blender worth the $39? Honestly, absolutely. It's quick, portable, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who wants smoothies anywhere, anytime. Cheers to blending on the go.